Good morning, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I would like to introduce myself, Prathamesh Vasanta Jadhav, learning in the 12th standard. Today I am going to tell you the experience of me with the Patil Academy and their teachers. Friends, I am the first student, and when I entered in the class, then no one was there. Means initial admission was done me, and that situation was a so tough situation. Our teacher, class honor, Mr. Jankiram Patil sir, is the so dedicated person, because not only they teach the books knowledge, but also they motivate and encourage to the people. When Patil Academy was starting at the starting point, then no was student there. Minimum 2 months I studied alone. But you would have known about that the patience. Who had the patience, they get the success. You should learn about our Patil sir, that how to put the patience in our life. Means sir and their family lives out of the Jalgaon city. Teaching the English is the passion of the sir, and teaching is the passion of the sir and hobby. So sir opened the new class. At the starting point, sir get so many problems, but now they are the better position than the before. So it happened only their goal was the only one, and they did not deviated from there. From my journey, I asked one question to sir, that sir, how do you face to the failures? Then they explained very nicely that failures are the most important thing in our life. They not only teach us the something, but they teach us the societal knowledge, all their knowledge. But success, it only boosts your ego only. So you should learn about your failures. And one more thing that I'm so thankful to the Patil Academy, that if Patil Academy I did not taken the admission in this class, then my life could have been totally blurred. I am so thankful of the Patil Academy. Everyone know that after the 10th standard, English language is the very important. In any field, English language is the necessary. I am proud on the Patil Academy that I was in the Marathi medium student and learning in the now high level, taking at the high level education in the English medium school. In Patil Academy, many festivals, programs, functions are celebrated. Means Patil Academy not only gives the knowledge, but also it want to give you that background which you will not get any other center. And once more thing I want to say, you should respect your parents and teachers. Whatever they say, you should follow their guidelines. Because of their guidelines, whatever they say, you should satisfy in that case. Our Jankiram Patil sir says that don't be satisfied in the education, because whatever you get, you should collect it, and because knowledge never waste. According to the Oxford University says that the English language is the moderate language, but this moderate transfer to the easiness, this is only happen in the Patil Academy. My all courses happen in the 8th month. Starting first 7 months, I was so in the depression, because I was not getting the speaking the English. But last month, sir explained me that how to speak the English and properly. Sir explained me all that, teaches me and grow up my confidence. And always keep in mind that sir said me that most hard worker is not a great person. Hard work plus smart work is the great person, and it directly deals with the success. So you should do the smart work plus hard work, then you will get the success. After my parents, you will have the many role models, but after my parents, Mr. Jankiram Patil sir is my role model. And thank you once more, thanks you so much sir, that whatever am I standing in front of you, that is your result, and its credit goes to the Jankiram Patil sir. Thank you so much.